Tired of praying and feeling like your words just vanish into thin air? Have you ever wondered if there's more to prayer than what you've been taught? If you felt unheard, discouraged, or even doubted the power of prayer, then this message is for you. Because the truth is, most of us have been misled about prayer. We've been taught to see it as a form of begging, a desperate plea for help from a distant deity. We've been conditioned to believe that if our prayers aren't answered immediately or in the way we expect, then something is wrong with us, with our faith, or with the very concept of prayer itself. But what if I told you that prayer isn't about begging at all? What if I told you that there's a simple yet powerful secret to prayer that can unlock a whole new level of connection to the divine? A secret that can help you manifest your deepest desires, overcome challenges, and experience a profound sense of peace and fulfillment in your life. This secret isn't about following rigid rituals or reciting memorized words. It's not about belonging to a specific religion or subscribing to a particular set of beliefs. This secret is universal, accessible to everyone, regardless of your background or spiritual path. It's a timeless truth that has been known by mystics, sages, and spiritual teachers for centuries. So, if you're ready to ditch the frustration and discover the true power of prayer, then keep watching. Because in the next few minutes, we're going to dive deep into this hidden wisdom and reveal the secret that can transform your prayer life and ultimately your entire existence. You see, the true power of prayer lies not in the words we speak, but in the energy we embody. It's about aligning our thoughts, feelings, and intentions with the infinite wisdom and abundance of the universe. It's about recognizing that we are not separate from the divine, but rather we are an integral part of it. This may sound like a radical departure from the traditional view of prayer, but it's actually a return to the ancient wisdom that has been passed down through the ages. In many spiritual traditions, prayer is seen as a form of meditation, a way to quiet the mind, open the heart, and connect with the deeper truth of who we are. It's not about asking for things, but about recognizing the inherent goodness and abundance that already exists within us and all around us. The ancient wisdom tells us that the universe is made up of energy, and that this energy responds to our thoughts and feelings. When we pray, we are essentially sending out a signal to the universe, a vibration that attracts back to us that which we focus on. This is why it's so important to approach prayer with a positive and open heart. When we come from a place of gratitude and trust, we are more likely to receive the blessings that we seek. But how do we cultivate this positive energy? How do we shift our mindset from one of lack and desperation to one of abundance and trust? That's where the secret of prayer comes in. The secret lies in a simple yet profound shift in our approach to prayer. It's about moving from a place of asking to a place of aligning. It's about recognizing that the answers we seek are already within us, and that prayer is a way to tap into that inner wisdom and connect with the divine source that flows through all of creation. This doesn't mean that we stop asking for what we want. It simply means that we ask from a different place, a place of alignment with our highest good and the highest good of all. When we pray from this place, we are no longer begging for crumbs from the universe. We are co-creating our reality with the divine, working in partnership with the infinite intelligence that guides and supports us on our journey. The ancient wisdom has given us a framework for this alignment, a simple yet powerful process that anyone can follow. It's not about complicated rituals or esoteric practices. It's about 3 fundamental steps that can be easily integrated into your daily life. The first step is to clarify your intention. What is it that you truly desire? What is the deepest longing of your heart? Take some time to reflect on this question and be honest with yourself. Don't worry about what you think you should want or what others expect of you. Focus on what truly brings you joy and fulfillment. Once you have a clear intention, the next step is to cultivate gratitude. This means appreciating all the blessings that are already present in your life. It means recognizing the abundance that surrounds you, even in the midst of challenges. When we practice gratitude, we raise our vibration and open ourselves up to receive even more blessings. The final step is to release and trust. This means letting go of the need to control the outcome of your prayers. It means surrendering to the divine wisdom that knows what is best for you. When we release our attachment to a specific outcome, we create space for miracles to happen. These 3 steps may seem simple, but they are incredibly powerful. When we clarify our intention, cultivate gratitude, and release our attachment to the outcome, we are essentially aligning our energy with the divine flow of the universe. We are opening ourselves up to receive the guidance, support, and abundance that is always available to us. And when we do this consistently, we begin to see amazing things happen in our lives. Our prayers are answered in unexpected ways. We attract new opportunities and relationships that align with our highest good. Perhaps you're wondering if this is just another self-help gimmick. Maybe you've tried different prayer techniques in the past with little or no results. Or perhaps you're skeptical about the idea of aligning with the universe and manifesting your desires. It's natural to have doubts and questions. After all, prayer is a deeply personal and often complex experience. But here's the thing. The principles we're discussing are not new. They are rooted in ancient wisdom and have been validated by countless spiritual traditions throughout history. Take, for example, the concept of gratitude. Studies have shown that practicing gratitude can improve our physical and mental health, strengthen our relationships, and increase our overall happiness. It's a simple yet powerful practice that can have a profound impact on our lives. Similarly, the idea of releasing our attachment to outcomes is a central tenet of many spiritual teachings. When we let go of the need to control, we open ourselves up to a greater wisdom and a higher power that can guide us towards our highest good. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but where's the proof? Well, the proof is in the countless stories of people who have transformed their lives through prayer. People who have overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges, manifested their dreams, and found a deep sense of peace and purpose. We've all heard stories of miraculous healings, unexpected financial breakthroughs, and profound shifts in relationships. These stories are not just anecdotal evidence, they are a testament to the power of prayer to connect us with a source of wisdom and guidance that is far greater than ourselves. And while we may not always understand how or why these miracles occur, the fact remains that they do happen. And they happen more often when we approach prayer with an open heart, a clear intention, and a willingness to trust in the divine process. We experience a greater sense of peace, joy, and fulfillment. And we discover that prayer is not just a way to get what we want, but a way to connect with the deepest truth of who we are. You're hesitant to accept this new way of praying because you're afraid of letting go. You may have become attached to your old ways of praying, even if they haven't been entirely effective. Or maybe you're simply unsure of how to begin this new practice. That's okay. Change can be daunting, especially when it involves something as personal and meaningful as prayer. But here's the invitation. Be willing to experiment, to explore, to try something new. Start with small steps. Set aside a few minutes each day to sit in silence and connect with your inner self. Practice gratitude for the simple things in your life. And when you pray, focus on aligning your energy with the divine rather than on asking for specific outcomes. You might be surprised at how quickly you start to see a difference. You might notice a greater sense of peace and clarity in your life. You might find that your prayers are answered in unexpected and even miraculous ways. Or you might simply feel a deeper connection to the divine presence that resides within you and all around you. Remember, this is not about abandoning your faith or rejecting your existing beliefs. It's about enhancing your prayer life and deepening your relationship with the divine. It's about discovering a new level of empowerment and possibility. If you're ready to take this journey, we invite you to explore the resources we've created to support you. We offer guided meditations, affirmations, and other tools that can help you integrate these principles into your daily life. And remember, you are not alone on this path. There are countless others who have started on this journey of transformation and have found a new level of peace, joy, and fulfillment in their lives.